Hello and welcome everyone to the Commodity Report for the 1st of June 2022, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. So this week we have seen gasoline prices break back out to all-time highs. Not only that, we've now seen crude oil prices breaking back above $120 per barrel. This is exactly in line with what we've been discussing with you over the last couple of weeks, to expect big inflows into the crude oil market in the lead up to China easing their lockdown restrictions, which of course is now occurring on the 1st of June. And with that, over this week, we have of course seen Brent crude oil breaking back above $120 per barrel. This is actually a trade opportunity that we've been highlighting to you since the beginning of May. So feel free to go back, watch our recent commodity reports where we've talked you through opportunities to buy into oil sub $100 per barrel, which is where the price was just 3 weeks ago. And subsequently, we've seen over a 2,000 point move to the upside for both Brent and WTI crude oil. This actually puts our open positions on oil up over 6,000 points. We've taken the opportunity this week to lock in 4,000 points profit over 2 trades on Brent crude oil with our clients at the Gold and Silver Club. Very straightforward trades to capitalize on that we've talked you through in detail if you've been watching our commodity report. So for that calculation, for 4,000 points profit that's now been booked for every 1 lot contract that you would be trading, that's $40,000 of profit. For every 10 lot contract that you'd be trading, that's $400,000 of profit. And we've seen that breakout just within the matter of 3 weeks. Everything that we've been discussing with you on the commodity reports. Now, alongside that, of course, we've seen natural gas prices. They've broken out to all-time highs in the last week, up over 150% so far in 2022. We've got energy prices, which are currently trading at all-time record highs. And I'm sure you're aware of that. With inflation currently running at 40-year highs, the cost of living is at generational highs at the moment. So it's so important right now that you do upskill. If you want to increase your income, you definitely need to increase your skills. This is where trading is going to provide you with one of the best skills to capitalize on the current commodity super cycle. So with respect to this week so far, the usual expectations have played out here. So as we had the Memorial Day holidays in the USA on Monday, this is the start of the driving season in the USA, which is one of the most favorable times for energy prices and oil in particular to go up. And then alongside that, as I mentioned before, you have China, which are easing their restrictions and lockdowns from June the 1st onwards. And with that, China is the biggest importer of oil worldwide. And we're definitely seeing that slingshot move higher on energies at the moment. Now, what we've observed on Tuesday is the usual post-public holiday sell-off to the downside. This is where the dollar catches a bid. We've seen essentially risk off in the markets. Equities are rolling over again, and we've seen metals back under pressure. But I would look out for a lot more volatility over this week. Once we move into the 1st of June, fresh capital comes back into the market. You've also, over Thursday and Friday, you've got public holidays in the UK for the Queen's Jubilee celebration. So with that, you're going to see London offline essentially, and that can create further volatility, especially as Friday is non-farm payroll data. So essentially expect explosive moves for the remainder of the week here, yet again offering opportunities to sniper in on that volatility. You're already seeing it on the metals right now, taking a dip back towards the lower end of their channels, which again, I'm suggesting is going to provide favorable opportunities here to buy in lower, to take advantage of higher prices throughout the remainder of June. If you're not making money in these markets right now, you absolutely should be. The main reasons I can think that you're not making money at the moment would be you're either an inexperienced trader or you're only utilizing technical analysis in the market, which of course gives you zero edge. You're just going to get chopped up all the time in these markets and essentially make no money. And we do not want that for you. You want to be utilizing data, statistics, market intelligence, learning and understanding the daily, the weekly, the monthly cycles for each commodity, the intermarket correlations, the ratios, the key areas of liquidity, alongside that, the capital flows in the market, learning the fundamentals, the geopolitics, the macroeconomics, and further compounding that with the knowledge and understanding of how the hedge funds, money managers, banks, and institutions are positioned in the market. that will help you massively to get an edge. So with that, if you would like to join our community of successful traders, learn the research-driven approach to the market, and join our professional mentorship program, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click in the link below today's report in order to make an application to join our professional mentorship program.